Hi, this is Justine Calderwood, owner here at the Healing Spot Physical Therapy. I want to invite you to our fun Passport to Healing open house coming up here on May 14th from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. We're going to have such a fun event going on for you. I want you to come after that after school drop off or maybe after work. Pop in. This is going to be a really great informal way to meet our team, find out what we offer here at the Healing Spot. So I want to give you an idea of what to expect and why it's going to be worth your time to come. Number one, maybe you've reached out to us in the past and for something maybe pain related, or maybe have diastasis or something related to pregnancy or postpartum, and you're still at home dealing with the same things that you were dealing with at that time. This is for you. Maybe you're currently working with us and you want to come in and take advantage of the specials that we're going to have, or maybe win one of our prize packages. Bring a travel buddy, because I know many of you tell us that you've told a loved one, you've told a friend about how we can help them, and they're kind of dragging their feet. So this is a really great informal way for them to come in and meet us, ask us anything. Yeah. Maybe you're one of our community partners and you know that our services could help one of your clients as well, and you've maybe even told them about it. Invite them, come and bring some business cards. We want to make sure that we are also, helping our community and letting them know about the services that we have available for healing here. Okay, what can you expect by coming in? It's going to be a really fun, informal way to find out what we do here at the Healing Spot. We're going to have fun destinations to visit throughout the clinic where you're going to be able to talk to our team and ask them anything. We're going to have demonstrations on shockwave. We're going to talk about pessary fitting for prolapse. We're going to talk about just pelvic floor 101, right? You're going to get a passport just like this. We're going to have little stamps that you'll collect. Once you complete your passport, you're going to be able to be entered into our bigger prize package giveaways. We are giving over $1,200 worth of our services in these prize packages. And you can see we have some fun things inside as well, some self-care tools. So our services that we're giving away include physical therapy, shockwave therapy, as well as our online classes and courses. We're going to have a fun interactive station for the kiddos as well. So come on by after you pick them up from school or maybe after work, okay? We're also going to be giving away prizes just for showing up. So what I suggest is grab a travel buddy, maybe somebody that needs to know about our services. Bring a friend, that way you have somebody with you. Bring your kiddos. We're so looking forward to seeing you. We're going to have food and drink, so we got you taken care of there as well. So can't wait to see you May 14th, 4 to 6 o'clock.